I was at a marketing conference about 2.5 years ago, and I had the pleasure of meeting Barbara Corcoran. After she spoke, I got the opportunity to have my picture taken with her during something they call the step and repeat. When I stepped into the shot with Barbara and shook her hand, she gives me this sly look and says to me, "Oh, nice smile." And for that split second, all I could think was, what the f*** is she talking about? I got crooked ass teeth. I never wanted to smile because I was always self-conscious about my tooth. When I did smile, I would do so with my mouth closed. Barbara says to forget about perfection, that it doesn't exist. Nobody is perfect. And if you're trying to be perfect, you're likely wasting someone else's time. And that taught me something amazing. The need to be perfect comes from the fear of making a mistake, and that leads to poor choices. You rely on the opinions of others to give you a sense of self-worth. The more you focus on being perfect in the eyes of both yourself and others, the more you miss out on the uniqueness of who you are and the value you bring to other people. Barbara's advice was truly impactful. You cannot reach your true potential if you cannot accept who you are. Once you change that mindset and stop filling your head full of unrealistic expectations, you become truly impactful yourself.